Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Call of Duty video. Today is episode 6 of our ongoing series featuring Modern Warfare's funniest moments and fails of the week. These were the funniest moments that we could find amongst pros and good players alike, with our personal favorites being at number 1. If you have any clips you like, tell us about them in the comments below. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more weekly episodes. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Number 25, the G18.
Oh shit!
Just wait till you see this. Wait, please tell me.
Please tell me that just happened.
Oh shit!
Number 24, Tim the Tap Man.
Shoot this guy on my way down.
I'm gonna land right here.
I can cheese him. I hit a guy 3 times out of the air. I killed the guy out of the air. I killed him in the air.
Oh, let's go.
I just got a kill.
So good. That's sick. I've actually never seen that before.
Let's go, bro!
Dude, I did that yesterday. It's one of the nastiest. I killed him literally. He was 1 HP, and then I landed and just shot him one more time.
So sick.
I just picked up an L.
Number 23, Lyric.
Ooh! Ooh! If they don't know, keep shooting, you fucks! Yeah, motherfucker! What's up, bitch?
Number 22, Dr. Lupo.
On the roof. Yeah. I'm rotating around. Did you get it? No, he's still there. He's chucking a nade. Oh my god, I just got hit by a fucking truck, boys! What? Killed him. I'm on the ground! Ah!
Number 21, KYR Speedy.
That's it. Fucking spacebar, dude. He just ran away. Hold on, I can fix this fucker. God damn, I fucking hate this keyboard so fucking much, dude.
Number 20, Tim the Tap Man.
Right inside this big warehouse behind me.
Tim, how'd you die again?
He didn't pull a shoot.
Tim, you didn't pull your shoot?
I need to
Jesus
pick up.
Christ, bro.
He didn't
No,
pull
pick
a
up.
shoot. He just decided to fall damage from the sky.
I need to pick up,
Way to
guys.
die to fucking fall damage,
I
Tim?
need to pick up,
From
guys.
the sky.
I need to
He's
pick up,
muted.
guys.
Number 19, Summit 1G.
I fucking got his camping ass.
What?
He's falling.
My game just crashed. I alt-tabbed because
Just witnessed that. What the?
my game did not crash. The game was like, hey, there's an update. Would you like to update? Oh, you know, why would you fucking do that, Battle.net? Why? What a stupid way to die.
Number 18, Scump.
I got the guy. I got. Oh.
Play kills, guys.
Yeah, that's not even funny, bro. That's kind of fucked up.
Number 17, Philo.
Jordan General! Jordan General? Really? Hello, the motherfuckers that are on this game! Jordan General!
I would have been doing handstands against that guy, bro.
I'm spectating Seth, Jordan, and Sender. No fucking way. I'm pissed, dude. I'm so pissed. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Are you kidding me?
Number 16, Scump.
Wait, am I driving?
You have
A what?
a UAV.
No, I'm not. I have self-revive. Well, no, don't die.
You guys are scumbags. Who's driving?
It was me.
Oh my fucking Let's all go in this world together. You ready? Oh my goodness, man. I'm out here. I don't know where I'm going.
Number 15, Nick at 30.
That's sick.
Oh, wait, you can shoot
Yeah, you could shoot.
as you're falling? No way, bro. Only for a limited amount of time, though, right?
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, Sancho! I just sniped. I died.
You did?
I just sniped out of the sky, bro. The troll has.
Number 14, Formal.
Top 3 shot stand up. Top 3. Bro, he just fell from the ceiling, bro. Bro, he's just left his doors on the drive.
Number 13, Summit 1G.
I'm a Twitch professional, okay? It's not for my looks, it's not for my charm, okay? It's for my sheer game skill, okay? Right, chat? Oh, God.
Number 12, Max Dude.
Because this was a terrible choice.
Dude, bacon.
What the fuck, bro? Jesus
No,
Christ.
yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Christ.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Is it because you missed out on a cool cutscene?
Yes.
Oh shit! Ow! My legs!
Oh,
Ow! Oh god! Someone's coming! They're gonna kill me!
Wait.
Ah! Someone's trying to shoot
Did he break
me!
his ankles?
My fucking super died!
Fucking legs.
Ah!
Oh god.
Help me!
I was not expecting to hear this.
Somebody! There's enemies here!
Yeah, right. What you want me to do?
I don't know. Help me!
Yeah. How do I even get to you? I'm
Please!
in the
Dude,
Imagine I just killed myself just so I could fight somebody in the
the
gulag.
fucking momentum. I was like, uh-oh.
building. Save him.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, just to save Max.
I'm gonna die. There's people up here. Number 11, Summit 1G and Maven.
Imagine if that was the real Maven and I just did that too.
I've tried legitimately like 20 different things. I'm just like, okay, it's not meant to be. It's like, it's not my problem. I shouldn't have to try so hard to play the game.
Okay, well, we're definitely playing PC players because I just got smoked by Summit midair. Oh my, flip that shit. Summit just shit on my fucking soul. I wasn't playing.
Oh, play it.
But he canceled he cancels his shoot mid-shoot and fucking crossbowed me in the forehead.
Number 10, Montana Black.
Boss!
Number 9, Shorty Guy.
Oh! That's the dealership right there. Or no, that's the dealership. Green.
Oh!
Did you get it? You got it?
Number 8, Lyric.
Is that a thing? Oh yeah, you can do that. I'm good now.
No, you gotta read a plan.
Number 7, Stode.
Oh no! No! Dude, I've got the perfect angle for that. Oh my god. That was insane. Oh, dude, I can't believe it.
Number 6, Choco Bars.
I'm sorry, I don't know. What did I do? What does this mean? I think it's gonna airstrike us. Ow! It airstriked us. It's airstriking us. It's airstriking us. It's airstriking. Wait, did you just do it to yourself? Wait, oh, I have a shield for you. I have a shield for you. We should probably squad stream. Wait, over here. How do I?
Number 5, Philo.
Right? More coming up behind us.
Yeah, under me.
No fucking way you just landed your helicopter and exploded him. Dude, are you recording right now?
No.
Bro.
Number 4, Doug is raw.
You can't swim. Come on, Call of Duty!
No way!
Number 3, a grayless.
Aha, to jde až úplně nahoru, oni jsou pod tou střechou a to bude si skočit. No. Dropuju to přímo na něj. Já ho přelítnul! Já ho přelítnul! Já ho přelítnul!
Number 2, Poke Lols.
In a pace and I just see you get the fuck.
I didn't know all those shots were gonna hit, to be honest. UAV?
Got it.
Alright, before we get into number 1, we're going to go through our personal honorable mentions. These are clips that we found that were pretty good, but not good enough to make the top 15. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it.
No, I got it. I don't know.
Let's fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go, bro. Don't ever fucking say I'm trash, bro. Get the fuck out of here, man. I grind this game way too much to hear that bullshit.
Yo, Doug, when I was talking shit, I was just trolling, bro.
I'm not talking about you, Jay. I play way too much of this fucking game for people to call me trash, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Let me see you put up 7,000 fucking score, bro.
Bro, I went on a...
I know it's the right play.
I know you're wrong.
I know it's the right play.
I mean, dude,
Bro, Dylan's so annoying, dude.
Like, it doesn't matter who L does it.
Oh my
I feel like it should just be the first person, like, at the end of the day.
Like, bro, I do not understand. If you're the first person top L, you get 4 kills. We know 4 are fucking dead, judging by the kill feed. We know that they're not up yet, and we know that they're spawning green. The first immediate thought is, the guy top L that's first there can fucking OE to C because he has faster timing. He has faster timing. You do not need to help the fucking OE yet because no one spawned yet. That is my fucking point. You're not getting that.
Yo, Pierce.
Holy fuck.
I understand.
Bro, dude, Dale, you're so annoying, dude.
Because I'm still helping them mid because Seth can push their side. We're beating the time with the rest.
Dude, Dale's so annoying. Oh my god. Oh shit.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, that's why I've been piecing. Look at my character, Seth. Herb sex.
What? Oh my god. That just fucking pissed me off, actually. It's like they're midstream.
Ooh, baby, a triple! Oh, baby, a triple!
Okay, he sounds exactly like the kid.
Fucking done. I'm gonna get positioned over. Oh no. Are you safe,
I
man?
thought you were chilling with me. No, I'm scared, I think.
I'm gonna get positioned. Hold up, Alex. I got position.
His teammates probably coming too. You're gonna get me, so you gotta kill him fast. You get position or what?
I do.
Did you kill him?
Hold on, man.
They're pushing now. Oh, they're pushing.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
Oh my god.
This is ridiculous. Wait, I'm good. I got position.
I'm winning this game. I'm coming back. I ain't losing. Oh.
Number 1, Coda.
White pistols! Give me something else!
Get fragile.
Oh!
So what do you guys think of this week's list? Did you have your own personal favorite clips that didn't make the cut? What would you like to see fixed or added in the future? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.